Our summer trip for 2020 was to take an RV and explore the Pacific coast, with our final location being the Big Basin Redwood State Park. Of course, with the current situation of COVID-19, there's a good chance that it will most likely be canceled. Our first stop would have been the Carrillo State Park and Beach in Malibu, California. There, we can enjoy the campgrounds that are not too far from the beach itself. We can take trails, hiking trails there, and spend the rest of our time on the beach. I've been told that the beach has lots of tide pools where you can find lots of cool sea creatures, as well as some cool beach caves for exploring. Here's just a few pictures. The next location is the East Beach. However, driving an RV, you need to find special parking. So this is a parking that I found called the Palm Park parking lot. That's not too far from the East Beach of Santa Barbara. It's just a quick stop to visit Santa Barbara. We can enjoy the quiet beach, hopefully. And again, if we were to take this trip and we're not too crowded, to the left of the beach is the Stearns Wharf, which is a nice little pier that you can explore, and it has a lot of good eateries and things to see in this area. The next location, we will drive to Pismo Beach, Pismo Coast Village RV Resort. From what we've been told, Pismo Beach is a beautiful beach, long strip, has a very big dock in the middle, pier in the middle, sorry, and it's just a beautiful beach with great sunsets and lots of walking along this beach. I believe there's playgrounds and stuff. It's just a really cool city to visit. The next location is the Pfeiffer Big Sur campground. Here we will take a trip to Big Sur Beach, which is right here, but we will not spend too much time on the beach because this beach is known for its strong tides, currents, and cold water. So it would mostly be just for the views, taking in the views and seeing the beautiful beach of Big Sur. But the campground itself is also part of the redwood forest, and appears to be very nice in itself. So the next location will be another quick stop that I found in Santa Cruz. It's called the Lighthouse, and it's not loading. The Lighthouse Field State Beach, which has a great view that you cannot see right now. Here we go, of the lighthouse. And these rocks, the point right here, and along the other side, which we're not able to see for some reason. Oh, here we go. Has some really cool rock arches and just really cool formations. And I'm told that there's some really cool surfing to see. Just a quick stop to see the lighthouse and some cool rock formations. Our last stop will be the Big Basin Redwood State Park. This park is California's it's not loading, oldest state park and best known for its giant ancient redwood trees. They can measure up to 50 feet around and be as tall as the Statue of Liberty. Here's a picture. They're about 1,000 to 1,800 years old. Some may even predate to the Roman Empire. We will spend a good amount of time here, maybe 2 to 3 nights. You can explore waterfalls on their trails. They've got tons and tons of nature trails with beautiful waterfalls, animals, and just lots and lots of nature to take in here. Let's see if some of these other pictures are working. Okay, well, and then for the return home, we will just take one of the 5 all the way down, and we'll be back home in about 6.5 hours maybe. So if this trip happens, or maybe next year it will happen, but this is our trip.